Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's one of the most important security features in your home. While many homeowners focus on alarm systems or outdoor lighting, the strength and installation of your doors play a critical role in protecting your family. Over time, doors can weaken, warp, or lose their structural integrity. For families in Rockford, upgrading to replacement doors is a practical and effective way to enhance home security while improving everyday comfort. Stronger materials for better protection. Older doors, especially hollow core or aging wooden models, may not provide the level of protection modern homes require. Replacement doors available to Rockford homeowners are built with reinforced cores and durable materials designed to resist forced entry. Solid construction makes it significantly harder for intruders to breach the door, adding an important layer of defense. Reinforced frames and hardware. Security is not just about the door panel, it's also about the frame and hardware. When installing replacement doors in Rockford homes, professionals ensure that frames are reinforced and properly aligned. Strong strike plates, heavy-duty hinges, and secure locking mechanisms all work together to create a reliable barrier. Improved locking systems. Modern replacement doors often include advanced locking systems that provide greater peace of mind. Rockford families benefit from updated hardware that aligns precisely with the frame. A properly installed lock system ensures that the door closes tightly and remains secure under pressure. Eliminating weak points. Over time, gaps can develop around older doors due to wear or structural shifting. These small gaps may not only affect energy efficiency but can also weaken security. Replacement doors in Rockford residences are carefully measured and fitted to eliminate these vulnerabilities. Secure installation matters. Even the strongest door will underperform if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation in Rockford ensures that replacement doors are level, tightly sealed, and securely anchored to the structure. Proper alignment prevents shifting or loosening over time. Increased visibility and awareness. Many replacement doors include options for secure glass inserts or sidelights. Rockford homeowners can choose designs that enhance visibility while maintaining safety. Modern glass options are built with durability in mind, allowing natural light without compromising security. Supporting family safety. Security is about more than preventing intrusion, it's about creating a sense of safety for your household. When replacement doors are properly installed in Rockford homes, families feel more confident knowing their entry points are protected. Enhancing overall property value. Secure, well-maintained doors also contribute to overall home value. Rockford properties with updated replacement doors often appear more cared for and secure, which can be appealing to future buyers. Long-term reliability. Durable materials and professional installation contribute to long-term performance. Replacement doors in Rockford are designed to withstand daily use and environmental conditions while maintaining their structural integrity. A smart upgrade for peace of mind. Protecting your home starts at the entryway. For families in Rockford, replacing outdated or worn doors is a practical step toward improving home security. With reinforced materials, modern locking systems, and professional installation, replacement doors provide stronger protection and greater confidence. Investing in this upgrade means creating a safer environment where your family can feel secure every day.